What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to enable your Wi-Fi quick settings. So assuming you want to connect to the internet but you don't see the Wi-Fi on your system tray. So look at mine over here. I want to connect to the internet right now through Wi-Fi, but then I don't see the Wi-Fi quick settings here, the Wi-Fi icon. I see Bluetooth, I see airplane mode, I see night light, accessibility project, and other stuff, but I don't see Wi-Fi. So if you are facing this issue, there's a quick fix to it. Now just right click on your start button, the Windows icon over here, right click, go to device manager. Now in device manager, look for network adapters. Click on it to display the drop down, and you see Realtek Wi-Fi 6. Just right click on it. If it's already enabled, just update the driver. If it's disabled, just click on the enable device. So the device manager page will be refreshed, yes, as it has done right now, and your Wi-Fi should be back, yes. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi has appeared here, it's available now. So I can just connect to whatever device I want to connect here, and yes. So try this out and your problem should be fixed. So if you find this video helpful, just kindly like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.